Okay, this is how to use your albums in your Photos app. When you take any photo with your camera app, all of your photos will be stored in your Photos app. It's this app with the color wheel on it. When you open the Photos app, you have the icons living at the bottom of the app. They're albums, memories, and photos. I like to use the albums icon because often I will just use this one here called Camera Roll. Camera Roll is simply all of your photos and videos that you've taken. They're in chronological order, and it just shows them all in these little squares. You can select a photo and go back. To go back to the other page, go back to albums. And then there are these other options: people, places, videos, selfies, screenshots, animated, recently deleted. So you have all these specialized albums, but the main one that I always use is Camera Roll. And that will give you all of the photos that you've taken and all of the videos that you've taken. So if you're looking for a photo, go to Albums at the bottom and then Camera Roll, the first album. You should be able to find it there. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.